Now that we have the new set of lists created, we're going to move the relevant cards over to the relevant lists on the aggregate board. We're going to select the Move Cards set of actions. Here, we want to do a copy of all the cards in the In Progress list on the board name, because remember, we want the script to always refer to the board that it is acting on. So we're going to copy all the cards in list In Progress on board name. In this case, it would be Finish Movie Review to a list. And remember, the lists are board name on the aggregate board. And overview is my aggregate board. And you see again, when we go to our target board of the aggregate board, sometimes it removes the variable. So just make sure that's added in before you add the instructions to the script. So copy all the cards in the list In Progress on board name, which would be Finish Movie Review in this case. So all of the In Progress cards will go to a list named Finish Movie Review on the board Overview, which is the aggregate board. So let's go ahead and add those instructions to the script. Now we see this is building out quite nicely. In the next step, we'll review this to make sure the script has all the instructions that we desire.